Welcome back, viewers. So I ran into an unexpected problem. My little handle broke from my sprayer. I really need the sprayer because I spray everything in my sink. So I like this sprayer, and an easy fix is to buy the exact same sprayer so that we can just have an easy fix. So I went to my hardware store and bought the exact same sprayer. So it's an easy fix. We don't have to replace this hose, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so I'm going to use a slip joint pliers. You can use any type of pliers, but I'm going to use the slip joint pliers. Okay, so we're going to put the slip joint pliers around this bottom piece here, and be super careful because it's plastic, and you want to press it too tight to take this part off, because you're going to mar up the prettiness of your sprayer, and we're just replacing it, and you don't want to crack it. So I'm going to take this off. Just unscrew super easy, and then there's some water in there to get rid of my one that broke. So I'm going to show you if this part is broke as well. Okay, so if you have to for some reason take this part off, this is called a C-ring, and you just take a little flat blade screwdriver, small one, and pop that off. I'm not going to do that because mine's fine and my hose is fine, so all I want to replace is that sprayer. So this here your new one will look like this, and then you'll pop on the new one. But I just want an easy fix, so I'm going to install just the sprayer on top of it because this is all still in good condition. Okay, so now that I have showed you that, how to fix that, or replace that in case you need that whole assembly, but I'm not. So I have my brand new one with the working little button, because that's what broke on mine, and it won't go back in. So I just bought a new one. So all you got to do, I'm holding these in there. So all you got to do is screw it on. Screw it on. You know what? I don't need these. So I'm just going to screw it on like this. That was much easier than holding it. So, and that's all you do. So I fixed it. Now I got my sprayer. Hopefully that don't leak. And now I got my sprayer, because everybody needs their sprayer. So quick fix, something that came up real quick. Didn't even know I was going to do this video. But if you like this video, it helps you out, give me a thumbs up. Remember, press the red subscribe button to turn it gray. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.